Hi class 1, good morning and welcome to your EVS class. Children, on Tuesday in our last class, we learned about chapter 8, clothes we wear. Okay, I have asked you to do the first exercise. I hope you have done it. Then we saw the clothes, why do we wear and how it is protecting us from heat, cold, wind, etc. Then we saw the dress where boys and girls in different way and the different dress that we wear. We learned and the uniform which is used by different people in the workplace. Okay. Today we are going to continue the chapter kinds of clothes. Okay, please all of you take your EVS book, page number 45. Children, I hope you have taken your EVS book. Turn to page 45. Okay, the chapter 8, clothes to we wear. We are going to see this topic, the kinds of clothes that we wear. We wear different kinds of clothes at different times. We need to wear clothes that keep us cool when it is hot. Some clothes are made of cotton. Cotton clothes are light and keep us cool. We get cotton from the cotton plant. Okay, the kinds of clothes under that we wear different kinds of clothes at different times. We wear clothes to keep us cool in the hot season. And some clothes are made of cotton that is light and keep us cool. Okay, look at here. These people are wearing the cotton dress. See, we wear cotton clothes in summer when there is a sunlight is too much. That is hot season. Now, next one. When it is cold, we need to wear clothes that keep us warm. Some clothes are made of wool. Woolen clothes help us to keep our body warm. We get wool from animals such as sheep, goats, rabbits, etc. What is that? We saw hot season we use cotton clothes. Now cold season we wear sweater, warm clothes that will keep us cool in the body warm in the winter season. Look at this dress. Here what he is wearing? Sweater and the muffler he is having. And this side fire is there because very cold. We wear woolen clothes in winter, cold season. Okay children. Now children, please turn to page 46. In the 46 we are going to read. When it rains, we wear raincoat and gumboots. We also carry an umbrella. All of these help us to stay dry. Okay. Rainy season we use raincoat, gumboots and umbrella, which saves us from the rain. It keeps us all dry. We wear different types of shoes to protect our feet. Okay, different time we use different types of shoes also. Next, on special days such as our birthdays, festivals and other celebrations, we wear special clothes. Women wear saris and men wear dhoti kurta or kurta pajama made out of special material called silk. Okay, on special day we will special day like birthday, festivals and other celebration we wear special clothes, new clothes. Okay, women will wear sari and men will wear dhoti kurta or kurta pajama. Okay children, these are some of the clothes that we wear. Now look at this picture. What are they wearing? The rainy season. It is raining. See, it is raining. So they are wearing raincoat and playing, putting the boat in the water. Okay. Children wearing raincoats and gumboots in the rainy season. See here. They are wearing the raincoat and gumboots and playing in the water. Next, see here. Where do we get silk? Do you know? We get silk from silkworms. The dhoti, these are made of silk. It is getting from silkworms. Next topic, taking care of our clothes. We should always wear clean clothes. So clothes should be washed with soap and water to remove dirt and stain. They should be ironed after they are washed. Okay, what we have to do? We should take care of our clothes, keep clean and wash when it is dirty. After that washing, we should iron it. Okay children, we have learned the kinds of clothes we wear. Now we see values and skills. What are we learned? The value from this lesson. It is good habit to wear clean clothes. We should not ask for new clothes all the time. Instead, we should take good care of our clothes so that they stay for a long time. What we have to do? We good to have wear the clean clothes. So we should not ask for always new clothes, but instead what we have to do? We should use the same clothes by washing, cleaning and ironing, and we must keep long time and use it. See here, one question is asked. What do you do with clothes that have become small for you? So here they are asking you, what will you do with your clothes that are small for you? You will give it to your younger brother or younger sister. Okay. Please come to page number 47. Now what we have learned, the points to remember. We need clothes to cover our bodies. We learned in the first class, we need clothes to cover our body. For what? Clothes protect us from heat, cold, wind and rain. Also, the clothes make us look neat and smart. So, we wear our clothes to protect us from heat, cold, wind and rain, and they give us a good look, neat and smart. Second one, we wear different clothes when it is hot or cold or when it rains. Yes, we wear different clothes. What are they? See here. See here children. What we wear different clothes on different time. What are they? See, three types of clothes. Cotton clothes keep our body cool. Woolen clothes keep our body warm. Clothes also help us to stay dry. Okay. Next one we learn, we should take care of our clothes. We should keep our clothes neat and tidy, washing and ironing. And in this chapter we learned some new words. We'll see what are they. Cotton. What is that? The clothes made from the cotton plant is known as cotton. Wool. The soft thick hair of animals such as sheep, goat, rabbits, etc. is known as wool. Woolen, made of wool. Woolen clothes, that is sweater, muffler, shawl, etc. made of woolen clothes. Stain, colored or a dirty mark on something that is difficult to remove. Okay, so most of the time in your clothes you will have this stain and mother will find difficult to wash it. So stain means a colored or a dirty mark in your dress which is difficult to move. Okay children, in this class today we learned the kinds of clothes that we wear. Cold season we wear woolen clothes, hot season we wear cotton, and rainy season we wear raincoat and use umbrella. Also we have learned how to take care of our clothes. Okay, then we learned the points to remember, which is here, learn, and the words. Okay children, with this we end our class here, and the exercises we will see in the next class. Okay, so what is a homework? You will read the chapter and learn the points to remember and the new words. Okay, wish you all the best. Read and learn well. Bye.